Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and this is the second video that we are building a blogging application in jQuery. In first video that I showed how to create a post and we are storing in local storage. Once done that, we have to list out all the posts whatever there in the local storage. So now let's start the code. So already have a index HTML file, so I'm just now adding jQuery. So document.ready function. Yes, now we already stored in local storage, so we have to fetch from local storage now. So jQuery.each. So from there in the jQuery.each, there we are going to fetching from local storage. So parse. So local storage dot get item. So we given a key called make easy block, right? So make easy block. So now what we have to do, and we have to call a function. So we take two variables here, i comma value. So I is the key and value is the value of that key, right? In the hash we have a key and again hash. So now what we have to do here, we're gonna be appending to all our post to a post div. We have to append every time, so we loop through, we can append to that. So now here we have this id first, id po posts. So first we have id, then after that class in the sense dot post. So dot append. Now we're gonna be adding a h1 tag for the title. So h1 tag, and also we are adding anchor tag to show the each individual post. So a and href. So href having show page, right? So show.html, and as well as having id. So id in the sense that we're gonna be we showing the show page individual post. So for that we need to require an id. So now we just adding to id to the url. Okay, so now after that what we have to do, we have to enter a title also, right? Post title. So that's why what we are doing over here, like, so we need to close this one first. After closing, so we also close anchor tag. Yes, done. So here value of title. So this is the for title, and now we need a one paragraph tag to add description. So p now, so over here, so value of description. I think so that's it. So now we're going to refresh it, and you can see list of the post over there. So one post whatever we have now, so control R, now refresh it, we can see whatever the post that we have now, we can see in the index page. So I'm refreshing it. Yes, we can see that our post, and also you can check the url of the title. It will give you like a show.html and id 1921, right? So, and also this is the title and this is the description. So that's it. The next video that we are building the show page, so you can also view individual page for each blog post. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.